everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to see one bonus, that is the Shodan extension which you can use into your browsers. So as you can see over here, I have an extension. This is the particular extension which I have installed. As soon as I click on this particular extension, it gives me the details on the website host that I'm onto. As you can see, this IP address is of Udemy. Now these are the ports which are being found open by Shodan. So let me just click on 8080 and you can see they are not allowing me direct access to that port. This may be because Cloudflare has put some restrictions wherein I cannot see that particular port directly the port by typing the port number. All right. So if I click on view host details, I will be able to see all the host details for this particular IP address, as this IP belongs to Udemy. So let me just scroll down and you can see we have got the ASN as well. This is the port 80, wherein you can see this particular IP address redirects to https://udemy.com, port 443, and you can see this is the particular response of port 443. If I just click on this particular link from here, then it will just redirect me over here. Let me just click on proceed and you can see they are not allowing me to log in directly or to view the website directly with the help of IP address. Yeah, so websites do this. They do not allow direct access through the IP address because the request that you are sending goes through many security appliances like firewall, proxy, etc. So direct access is not allowed into those particular servers. As you can see, more ports are open, but this port is also forbidden by the help of Cloudflare. So yeah, so this way you can identify about the targets by simply installing this particular extension. So let us see how you can install the extension. It's very simple. Just type Shodan and extension and you will be able to get this. The extension is available for both the popular browsers, which is Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. The installation is also pretty simple. Just click on that and click add to Chrome and it will get automatically added to your browser. So I hope you guys understood how to use the extension of Shodan, as this will be very handy when you are just visiting websites and want to enumerate information about those websites from Shodan, that if Shodan has some of the details about these particular targets if it has crawled. Thank you for watching this video.